What are the risks of biohacking? One of the biggest dangers is that you could end up harming yourself if you don't know what you're doing. One of the major biohacking risks is the use of implanted devices. People with diabetes have to constantly monitor their blood sugar levels to ensure they stay within a safe range. Advances in technology have led to the development of implantable glucose monitors. These monitors are placed under the skin, where they constantly measure the level of sugar in the interstitial fluid. Implantable glucose monitors and other implantable biohacking devices can cause problems if they're not inserted correctly. While these devices offer many benefits, there is also a risk of infection. Symptoms to watch out for are redness, swelling, and pain at the site of the implant. Treatment usually involves antibiotics, but in some cases, the device may need to be removed. Genetic biohacking. Genetic biohacking refers to the process of manipulating genes in order to change the way the body functions. There is a risk of breaking the law when carrying out genetic biohacking. This is because some authorities have laws that prohibit or restrict the use of certain technologies, including those that may be used for gene editing. For example, in the United States, it is illegal to create heritable modifications to the human genome. This means that any attempt to modify the DNA of future generations would be in violation of federal law. Some nootropics are unlicensed, and as such, you may be at risk of being prosecuted if you use them. For example, modafinil is not licensed when used for the treatment of ADHD. Another popular health body hack is the taking of supplements. Vitamins, minerals, and supplements are an important part of a healthy diet. However, it is possible to take too much of these nutrients, which can lead to an overdose. Symptoms of an overdose may vary depending on the nutrients involved, but can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headaches, dizziness, and blurred vision. The final risk of biohacking is that there is a lot of misinformation out there. There are charlatans hoping to make a quick buck from promoting supplements. While biohacking can benefit the health, performance, the mind and body, it is vital that you do plenty of research from unbiased, qualified sources. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel.